In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your YouTube comment history. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So if you are wanting to see your YouTube comment history, this is actually a super simple thing to do. But first I will show you, if you come over to your YouTube app and you click on library, and then you go over to your history, there is no option to see your comment history. So to do this, what you need to do is come back and then open up a browser. Once you open up your browser and you have logged into your YouTube channel, and if your web browser keeps opening your YouTube app, you can access this by going to a private window, or you can go ahead and click on the three dots if you are on Android and select desktop website. And then from here, what you need to do is click on the three lines in the top left corner. Once you click that, what you need to do is select history. Once you select history, you will be brought to this page here. And then on the right hand side, as you can see, there is options for history, and as you can see under manage all history, there is an option there for comments. If you select your comments, what that will do is it will open up all of your comments that you have made from this account on YouTube. And as you can see, these are all my comments that I have obviously commented back to people on my YouTube channel. So that's how you can go ahead and see your comment history on your YouTube channel.